Hi guys, so I wanted to talk to you about subtitles on YouTube. Subtitles are extremely important. They can really help for many people. It's known that 10 million people in the USA and 70 million people in the whole world have either hard of hearing or have profound deafness. This doesn't include other issues such as auditory processing disorder, which can kind of jumble basically the input that you're receiving. So I find that with auditory processing disorder, I often use subtitles because basically I can hear the words, but then I've got a literal transcript of what is being said, so that I do not misinterpret what is being said. I find it a lot easier to read things than to process things verbally. So this is going to be a short like how-to of how to use subtitles and edit subtitles. The CC automatic subtitles they're just gibberish. They don't make any sense, and this is just to show you a little bit about how to do this. So I will be going back onto this video and basically editing this video and adding subtitles to this video. So hopefully you'll be able to understand why subtitles are so important. And even if you don't think that your audience would be deaf or hard of hearing or APD, we like to listen to or interact with everything that anyone else does. So everything is relevant. All videos are good to watch. So yeah. Thanks for listening and understanding. I hope you find this useful. Hi guys, so I wanted to talk to you about subtitles on YouTube. Subtitles are extremely important. They can really help for many people. Hi guys, so it's RJ here. Just want to go through a few things about subtitles and adding them. Sorry if my neighbours, they're playing the doors, so I hope that sound doesn't come across too badly. As you saw in my example, sometimes the CC auto subtitles are complete gibberish. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to create or change those subtitles. So subtitles, you can see you're toggled on and off here. What you want to do is go to your Creator Studio. This is the video that I'm going to be editing. Obviously you've got all the editing options here, but if you look over on the right, you'll see Subtitles and CC. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. You might have a preference over which one. So you've got English Automatic, that's basically, this is all the gibberish. As you can see, say some toxins and extremely important. So that's the one that I prefer editing in. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to add new subtitles. So you want to select a new subtitles setting, create new subtitles or CC. So you just want to maybe go, like, let's go, say here. And I'm just going to do one sentence to show you how to do it. So I'm just going to listen to the sentence and then go back and add the subtitles. So you can go back and edit this at any time. So yeah, I try and talk whilst I'm doing this. Sometimes I find it a bit difficult doing the multitasking, but if I stop, I'll try and explain what I've been doing. So yeah. Subtitles are extremely important. So I've just listened to that little bit. So I want to go back to they can subtitles. So that's about where it starts. So you want to. So subtitles are very important. So as you can see, it's quite easy to do. You just add that, and it shows you whereabouts it is. So this is really easy to do. So you can click at any point. Misinterpret what. So at that point in time, I'm doing a bit of verbal dubstep, as it were. Sorry, it's like, yeah. So here I'm talking about misinterpreting. So sorry about spelling if that's wrong. Yes, it is. Thank God for spell check. Okay, so that's just added there. So again, it will show you exactly where it is on the time scale. So and you can change these to select how long they are up for. So if you go over your video and it's quite a long subtitle, obviously it will take longer for you to read. So if you have it within a few seconds, you won't be able to read the whole thing unless you pause it. So you can change these. You just click on these and you can lengthen them by, say, if I take this back to 1 minute 09 seconds and 5, I think it's milliseconds, and I'm going to extend it. Just an example, so I don't exactly know how long this will last for. So 1 minute 14 seconds and 2 milliseconds. I don't know what it stands for. So let's have a look. So if I go to 1 minute 8, hopefully it will play for approximately 5 seconds. The transcript of what is being said, so that I do not misinterpret what is being said. So yeah, it's very easy. It's really simple to do. The second way to do it is sometimes I find this a little bit easier because this gives you a basis of what you're looking for. So this is the automatic settings. So it recognises when you're talking. So even though it's gibberish, it's got pretty much roughly the times, as you can see down here, of like whenabouts the sentences you're saying are placed into, and some of them will be vaguely similar. So you can just like edit it. So I'll just show you again. It's pretty much exactly the same as the first way. So if I go to the first bit, so this is some toxins and extremely important. So what I actually say is, so subtitles are extremely important. So that's fine. It's already got the timing is fine because you can read that period, that amount of text in that time. So I don't really need to mess around with that too much, which makes it what I think is easier to. It's just a bit simpler, I find. So I've already forgotten what I have said. So yeah. And it's not letting me. Okay. There we go. Edit. Sorry about that. I was trying to find out where the button is. So you can either add subtitles here and it will create new ones to addition for the old ones, and you can just delete the old ones here, or you can go into the editing bit and type your own subtitles here. So I've already forgotten what I've said, so let's just say something random. So I'm just going to say I like my rats. Cool. So here it just says I like my rats, they're my best buddies. Obviously that's not what I said, but you can get what I'm talking about here. I have to kind of remind myself what I'm actually saying sometimes, what I'm actually reading, because information processing can be difficult. So again, if I want to change the time in which it's presented, I can go back into that and extend it or make it shorter, depending on what you think fits better. So maybe I just want it just a little bit shorter, so I'm going to go for 07 05. So it's just made it that little bit shorter. Sometimes it can make a difference with the timings and stuff. So yeah, after you've done that, so oops, I think I need to save it yet. Publish edits. So now you've got two settings, and hopefully that will make more sense. If I show you one that's I'll basically go through and actually subtitle this this video properly and show you exactly how it's done. So yeah, thanks for listening. I hope you find this useful, and just, you know, with people with any kind of hearing problem or auditory processing disorder, really do appreciate the time you take. It doesn't take that much time, but it's, you know, that little bit of effort, and it really makes a difference. So thank you very much.